Good morning. We are here on Sanibel Beach, and as you can see, there are tons and tons of shells. A bunch of smalls. Found a couple big goodies. It's the first week of 2021. We're on the beach near mile marker 6. It's a little hazy today. I woke up to the deck being wet, so I like it when it's not too shiny bright. See, the sun is clouded. Is that something? And with the low tide is going out. Oh yeah, look at that. I got that just in time. That one almost washed away.
What was it?
It's a Murex.
Oh, I haven't seen one. I haven't.
I am wearing my water shoes, so I don't mind if I get a little wet. I will say they were a little gross to put on this morning because they were still wet from yesterday. It's kind of gross putting on wet shoes. But it's a good morning so far. Doing pretty good. Found a piece of sea glass. Found a huge whelk. Oh, I thought that was glass. This has fooled me. It's a leaf. Just a leaf. So, I was walking in the water earlier looking for shells, but it is cold. And I'm just not used to cold. And my feet are kind of numb right now. So I'm waiting for them to have filling again.
I'm starting to feel like there's
Oh, stop.
something in the air.
That's pretty. So just a little scallop. So what Robert's talking about, it's my nose is starting to tickle too. Excuse me. As I get hoarse. So what's going on is Sanibel has a red tide right now. Oh, fighting conch. Sanibel has a red tide right. I got it. And ooh. It's empty.
All right, there we go.
Fighting for those shells. Oh, look at that one. Anyway, red tide tickles my nostrils and makes me want to sneeze all the time. It affects everyone differently. Here, take that so I don't drop it if I see any more. Oh yeah. Oh, well. It's just so cold to do that right now. So cold. Anyway, what was I talking about before I got distracted by all the shells? Red tide. Look at that. I got another one.
Oh my God.
This is like fighting conch central right here. That's a weird conglomeration, like a whole bunch stacked on each other. You see something? Look at this weird one. It's like 4 of them hanging out together.
Well, that's a weird one.
I don't think so, because if it was alive, they'd be together, right? No, I don't think they're alive. Well, that was pretty cool. Found some good ones right there. I'm sorry, I can't do that long. Did I mention the water's cold? Excuse me. Anyway, the red tide makes us cough.
You feel it. It's weird.
Yeah.
It's like the air is so free to breathe back there, and then here you kind of feel it a little bit. It tickles.
It tickles. That's one reason we haven't been shelling as much as we normally do. Not gonna have as many videos as I normally do, because pretty much after an hour of walking the beach, we're both coughing like crazy. And then it's just, oh, is he empty? He's empty. So then you just leave the beach for an hour, your lungs clear up, and you feel better.
You know what it's like? It's like having a cold, where you constantly feel that urge to sneeze.
Yeah.
That's what I feel. Then it goes away when you're away from that.
Oh, I can't believe that someone just walked by this rock.
They don't care. They're honestly That's a nice looking dog.
Finding a lot of bigger shells today. Tonight, oh, I have it written down. I think it's 9:30 because last night was 8:30. I think tonight is 9. So yeah, this is the best low tide I've seen in a while. Is that another foot? No. Anyway, shelling here on Sanibel, having an awesome time. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and we will see you later.